Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spektrum, and in this video we're going to take a closer look on how to install and use the Easy Grip gooseneck for the Spektrum Aurora range of ring lights. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of any videos that we release. We update lots of videos about how to use Spektrum lighting and Spektrum Aurora ring lights. Also, don't forget to follow our Instagram, spektrum.aurora, and visit our website, spektrum-brand.com. The Easy Grip gooseneck is one of our most popular accessories for the Spektrum Aurora range of ring lights. It's included with our larger ring lights, which is the Gold Lux and also the Diamond Lux ring lights. This gooseneck here has a foam handle, so it's easy to grip. So if you're not mounting it to a stand, you can actually hand hold your ring light. So if you have an assistant or if you're wanting to use it handheld, you can do that with this gooseneck. The gooseneck is also flexible, so what that means is you can actually bend it with two hands like that. So you'd actually need to bend it with two hands as it's quite rigid and it's made from metal. You can see here on this demonstration on the Diamond Lux, it's actually bent into position. And this is perfect for use in application or when you're using it for flat lay photography. On the bottom of the actual gooseneck, you can see that it's got a knob. This knob here is the locking knob that mounts to your light stand. You need to loosen that locking knob so it doesn't obstruct the way on the inside there, and mount it onto your light stand and then screw to tighten to secure. When using it with the Diamond Lux ring light, you actually need an adapter. So this adapter here is a little metal adapter that screws onto the top of the gooseneck. It's a 1/4 inch screw thread that mounts directly to the top. You screw it on. Then from there, that allows you to mount it to the bottom of the Diamond Lux ring light. Once you've mounted the Easy Grip gooseneck to the ring light, what you need to do is mount it to the stand. And to do that, simply insert into the top of the stand and then screw to tighten. Now when actually using the gooseneck as well as bending it, you need to ensure that one of the tripod legs is positioned forward so it counterweights the actual light and it doesn't topple over. And to bend the gooseneck, all you need to do is use two hands to bend into position. So that was just a quick look on how to use and install the Easy Grip gooseneck. This particular gooseneck can be used for all Spektrum Aurora ring lights, including the Eclipse, the Mini Pearl, the Diamond Lux, and Gold Lux. It's easy to use and allows you to shoot in so many different ways. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below any questions you have about the Spektrum Aurora range of ring lights or how to use the Easy Grip gooseneck. Follow us on social media, spektrum.aurora, and also visit our website, spektrum-brand.com.